One pepperoni and spring blossom.
Do you want anything to drink?
Do you have anything orange?
Hey, check this out.
So, what do you think?
Huh? What do I think what?
My thing here. I've got this great plan to change my image, to look cooler, man. Just gonna lean against everything I see.
Leaning against things makes you look cool, huh? How do I look?
I don't think it's quite working for you. Maybe you're too cute?
What? I'm not cute.
Hey, man, it's okay to be cute. Everyone's got their thing. My thing is being cool. And you're cute. And he is, yeah, whatever.
Sir, your order's ready.
Ooh.
Well, Chris, I don't want that to be my thing.
Ah, man, forget about it. Just eat.
No, excuse me. No, man. I guess it's allergy season.
Dude, that was the cutest sneeze ever.
Stop saying that I'm cute.
Oh, bless you.
That was such a cute sneeze.
No,
Panda sneeze, cute.
I'm not cute.
Bro, your sneeze was straight up adorable.
Stop! I'm not cute! You think that was cute? Oh, come on, man! I'm not cute!
That was adorable.
Let me see.
Oh man,
My
that's
gosh,
the
did you
cutest
see how
thing
cute that
ever.
was?
Yes, I just saw how cute that was.
I'm not cute!
Where you going, man?